Hi everyone! The technicians at this appliance repair shop, which is well known for their expertise, shared these tips with us. So pay close attention because we're going to fix that issue. When a dishwasher stops working after using regular dish soap, don't worry. It's more common than it seems, and in most cases, it can be fixed without replacing anything expensive. At the shop, we've seen several customers with this problem, and we also checked forums and other customer comments to explain what's happening and how to solve it easily. When customers arrive, many say, "I used regular dish soap, and now my dishwasher won't start or complete any cycle." Some even mention that the machine fills up with excessive suds that start spilling over, which gives us clear clues about what's going on inside the appliance. That's why we start by checking the suds buildup inside the dishwasher. Foam from regular dish soap can interfere with water level sensors or even the pump motor. One customer told us, "I removed all the foam with water and towels, and the machine started working like before." As one of our technicians explains, if there's too much foam, the system can't detect the water correctly and blocks the cycle. Often just cleaning and rinsing is enough. Next, we also check the water level sensors and float switches, which can get stuck or wet from the foam, making the machine think there's too much water or that something is wrong. Some customers said that after cleaning the sensors and making sure the float moved freely, the dishwasher worked perfectly again, showing that it's not always an electrical or motor issue. We also inspect the electrical connections and the pump motor. If foam reached sensitive areas or caused moisture, the motor may stop as a safety measure. At the shop, we've seen customers surprised to find that simply unplugging the machine, cleaning, and carefully drying the motor and wires made it start working again. Additionally, we pay attention to the drainage system because foam can block the water outlet and stop the cycles. Some customers mentioned that after cleaning the filter and making sure no soap residue remained in the pump, the dishwasher worked perfectly. This shows that the problem is often something very basic. Finally, in less common cases, we check the control board. If foam affected a sensor connected to the electronic board, the machine may need a reset, or in very rare cases, an electronic component replacement. Manufacturer technical bulletins always recommend removing the foam, cleaning filters and sensors, and resetting the machine before considering costly repairs.